Hi guys, in this video I'll try to explain how I made those pictures that you saw. First of all, I use electricity doing those videos, and I mean, just be really careful if you use electricity, because it's very dangerous and it can really cause you damage if you're not paying attention. What you can see here, this is what remains from a plasma ball. I had a plasma ball and I broke the ball of it, so I couldn't use it anymore. But then I started and I tried to see what is happening with the wire, and the wire, I basically discovered that the wire gives electric spark. I'm touching it because it's not on its own. Do not touch it, because it really gives a punch. I pierced my nail by mistake, touching it for half a second. So it's really like a bit powerful. Not deadly powerful, but it is a bit powerful. Now so next to this device, what I used was an electronic board from a DVD, computer DVD, PC DVD, something that didn't work. What I saw is that basically the electric arc which is built, it gets bigger if you use it against some like big piece of metal. Anyway, don't dream it will not get like 2 meters long or something, but it will get somewhere between I don't know, 5 to 7, maybe 7 millimeter, 1 centimeter maximum. And the photo camera, I have a Canon 350D with 60 millimeter of macro lenses. I am using a remote control to start the camera, and I'm using the bulb setting to be able to leave the camera open as much as I need. Now all those will be put together and just show you in a minute how I'm proceeding. So this is how the setup looks. As I was saying, the wire touch, I mean going close to the board, will make a spark, an electric arc, like I would say between 5-7 millimeter, maybe 1 centimeter max. Please be careful and do not touch the wire. What I'm doing now, I mean, as you can see, the board is shiny and it reflects the light. So I use my desktop background. Basically, I was changing the color of the background to have different lighting on the board. It gives a different effect. I'm setting up the camera, setting up I'm checking where the focus area is, and then I'm starting the device and going and playing with the wire on top of that focus area. Long exposures, of course, like depends, 15-20 seconds. Sometimes I'm using the bulb. I'm just switching off all the lights. I'm using the bulb and just record those lightnings. Now I'm going to switch it on just for you to see how it sounds and how it looks when it's live. Okay, now I switch on and going with the wire. Yeah, this is how it sounds. Please be very careful. Do not touch the board during this process, because it will you'll get electrocuted. And here on the plastic, you can see it really burns the plastic, so it has a bit of punch. It has a bit of punch. Now I'm going to switch it off, and last thing I'm going to say about this is that I think you can disassemble a plasma lamp. I mean, I saw the 4 screws and I took off the box and the rest of the ball, and I think you could do that without destroying it completely. But yeah, it's up to you if you wanna do this or not. So I don't know, if you have any questions, let me know. I hope you find this useful. Thanks for watching.